Make a great choice today with 2015 Camaro. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, sports suspension, daytime running lights, fog lights, power brakes. Inside you'll find electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, cruise control, multifunction display, power windows, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, one-touch windows, 2, compass. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
A GM-certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than any ordinary used vehicle. With our thorough inspection, GM warranty, free vehicle history report, and more. You can expect it all from a GM-certified used vehicle. GM-certified means no worries. This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.